Hello YouTube. Today we're looking at an Asus Zenbook 14. This is a customer return. The customer returned it with an aftermarket charger, and I'm going to show you a good reason to avoid them. As you can see, the laptop's currently powered on and it's working. Let's plug the customer's charger in and see what happens. I'm having a little trouble finding the hole. And we are in. But the laptop immediately turned off. Even with the charger unplugged, it now won't power on. I'm going to take the motherboard out so we can do some tests and see if we can get this laptop working again. Okay, the motherboard's out. Let's see what voltage we get at the charging port with the charger plugged in. That measures 0 volts. It's got nothing. That's strange, it should be 19.5. Let's check the charger's output voltage. Okay, that measures 19.5. Wait, that's negative 19.5. So the outer sleeve of the charger should be ground and the center should be positive. Yeah, okay, I think I know what's happened here. This is a universal charger and it's got a removable tip. Here's the problem. The cable only has 2 contacts. So if you install the charger tip backwards, the polarity of the charge is reversed. The charger tip's keyed, so installing it backwards shouldn't be possible. However, it's soft, goes in backwards with ease. Maybe if we put the charger tip on the right way around, the laptop will work? Now we have 19.5 volts at the charge port. Let's follow that and see if we get voltage to the rest of the motherboard. The power comes in from the charger, through the DC jack, through these ferrite beads and into the first MOSFET. Here we have 19.5 volts, but only 3.1 coming out. Let's check the resistance of these FETs. So the first MOSFET measures okay. The second MOSFET measures short circuit between source and drain. That's not good. Let's swap out the broken MOSFET and see if anything changes. Okay, the new MOSFET's on. Let's give that a clean. And that's looking beautiful. Resistances now look good. With the charger plugged in, we get 19.5 volt into the first MOSFET, and now we get 19.5 out. That goes to the second MOSFET, and we have 19.5 volt out of that one to the rest of the board. Let's put it back together and see if it turns on. With the charger plugged in, power lights come on, and it's working. Let's put the drive back in and get it ready to go back to the customer. I'm going to recommend the customer replaces their charger. It could get plugged in backwards again, and I don't want to fix this laptop a third time. If you're using one of these universal chargers, just remember, this way around, the charger works. This way around, it'll kill your motherboard. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button if you've learned something today, and subscribe to keep up to date with all our latest repair videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.